Hey everyone, welcome to Joom United official channel. Today, I want to share with you about organize WooCommerce media using WordPress media folder. If you're managing your products with WordPress and using WooCommerce, you've likely faced this challenge. As time goes by, your images, videos, and other media files start to accumulate, making it difficult to locate or organize them efficiently. Let me introduce you to WordPress media folder, the perfect solution for bringing order to your media library chaos. With this plugin, you can easily organize your files into folders, name them, select multiple files at once, drag and drop folders, and even create subfolders for a more detailed structure. It's fully compatible with WordPress and popular plugins like WooCommerce, Divi, Elementor, and various cloud storage integrations. With WordPress media folder, you can categorize your product images by type, such as clothing or electronics, by brand, or by collection. The folders keep everything structured, allowing you to find the exact image you need in seconds, saving you time and enhancing your workflow. This organized approach makes managing product images a breeze for you and your team. Let me give you a quick look at how WordPress media folder can transform your media management, especially when used with WooCommerce. Let's start by addressing the clutter in your media library. The first step is to create a folder and move your files into it. Simply use the tool on the left-hand column to create a new folder, then bulk select your files and drag them into the folder. Moving files between folders is just as easy. If you need a more detailed organization, create subfolders by adding new folders within existing ones. You can move files into these subfolders or upload them directly using the upload feature. To make things even clearer, you can right-click a folder to change its name or color, making it easy to visually distinguish between different categories. Having an organized media workspace like this will significantly enhance your productivity. Now that your media files are organized into folders, let's proceed to your product page to start creating products using those files. The great thing about WordPress media folder is its full compatibility with WooCommerce. You can create products directly from the files stored within media folder, or even add an entire folder as a product. Plus, other Joom United plugins like WordPress File Download and WordPress Table Manager integrate seamlessly, giving you even more flexibility. With your files added as products in WooCommerce through media folder, you can further customize folder settings in the right-hand column. From there, you can set up the standard WooCommerce details like categories, prices, and other options, preparing your products for sale. Since WordPress media folder is fully integrated with page builders like Divi and Elementor, displaying your products on your site is a smooth process. The plugin ensures that everything appears perfectly on your pages without any hassles. Regarding commercial use, copyright protection is crucial for safeguarding your business and enhancing SEO. To help with this, media folder provides a watermark feature. You can enable it by navigating to the rename and watermark settings within the media folder options. Choose a watermark from your media library, and adjust settings like size, position, and opacity to ensure your images are protected. I hope this video gives you a good idea of how media folder can simplify your media management. Enjoy the new level of organization and productivity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WooCommerce and WordPress tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below how you organize your media library, and if you have any questions about WP Media Folder, feel free to ask.